Good morning guys from the Magic Kingdom ferryboat entranceway. We're off down into Magic Kingdom today and we're trying Genie Plus for the first time at Magic Kingdom. We tried it at where did we go? Hollywood Studios. We've been so many places. We tried it at Hollywood Studios. We've got a lightning lane booked first for Pirates of the Caribbean, which was one of our favourite rides the other day, so we're doing that, and then we're going to try and book one for Big Thunder, aren't we? Yeah. Because that queue line is tough. Yeah. And it's looking like a busy day. There's lots of barriers out and stuff, but yeah, we're here, Magic Kingdom.
Just think all the ferry boat are loaded.
So if you guys have never been to Magic Kingdom before, the easiest way to get down there, in my opinion, is to get here early and jump on the ferry boats, because the ferry boats are dead. Should we sit down? And you can sit down. So, Pirates of the Caribbean first. We'll check back in. Okay, we are in Magic Kingdom. Got off the ferry boat in literally about 10 minutes and we were straight through and we're in. We're down Main Street already. First port of call. We have got a lightning lane booked for Pirates of the Caribbean, but we feel like maybe trying to get on Big Thunder this morning might be a good idea. So we're going to head over there and see what the wait time is. Little tip, walking down Main Street, if you've already been and you want to get through, walk through the shops. It's quicker. Typical CoasterGen form, we're here before the park actually opens. There's a rope drop. Didn't realise it was an actual rope drop. Alright, so we just got off Big Thunder Mountain. Front row! That was cool. A lot more airtime as well. What time is it?
10 past 9.
10 past 9. So we've got 10 minutes to get over to Pirates. That's for our lightning lane, our first lightning lane. So already today, we thought everybody was coming here earlier and it was going to be really busy, this ride. But it turns out that it's not. So if you come here first thing, before rope drop like we did, come to Big Thunder Mountain, we literally waited. Well, we didn't wait, it was walk on. And we got thrown onto the front row as well, which was really cool. So yeah, overall, good start here at Magic Kingdom. I'm really happy. Also, just before we do move on to Pirates, the Uber driver showed us where Epic Universe is going to be. That's Universal's brand new theme park they're building, which is the size of all 3 parks, or all 4 parks put together in one Epic Universe. And I'm just going to run some footage now over while I'm talking, but the guy said that where this tree is where the main gate will be, and then it will go all the way down to the back, all the way around, where you can see all the land there, and you can see the Uber driver just in front of me just pointing out to places. But it was really nice of him to show us that, so thank you so much, Omar, for that. That was cool. But yeah, so we've seen Epic Universe's construction as well, so that's cool. So it's been a really, really good morning. Anyway, now it's time to go and see some pirates about some treasure somewhere in Adventureland. So let's go down to Pirates of the Caribbean and do our first lightning lane. Let's go. Here we go, into Adventureland. And there it is, there's pirates. That quick.
Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy.
Ah! Whoa! Cannons!
I raise a toast to all of my mini shipmates lost at sea. Salute.
Alright, Pirates done, and our next reservation has been made for the Haunted Mansion at 10:35, so we've got about just under an hour now to just chill out, relax, get a drink. We're in the pirate shop, by the way. I'll show you around the Pirates of the Caribbean shop actually. Look at this. Oh, it's really cool. Beautiful architecture and styling and everything. It looks awesome. So the interesting thing about Pirates of the Caribbean, it has a secret element. And if you've never ridden it before, I'm not going to spoil it for you, but it's very fun, and it took Danielle by surprise the first time we went on it. Yeah, we're going this way. So we're just going to walk through Adventureland now, take the sights in and chill out, and then head over to Haunted Mansion for our second lightning lane. If we can get, I think if we can get one of the 6 major attractions out of, well, if we can get 3 of the 6 main attractions out of the lightning lane, then I think it's worth it, but only if you come first thing in the morning and jump on Big Thunder first. Really, really small queue line, so we're going to go and jump on that now. So we just got off the Haunted Mansion. That was so much fun. I noticed so much more second time around, and we just lightning laned, and now we've just got a lightning lane for Winnie the Pooh's Adventure. So let's go and check that out. It's a ride that I've wanted to see for a while as well. I'm actually doing a lot of the more kiddie rides today, just to see the animatronics, the theming, and all the different ways they use that to create emotion on a ride as well, which is something that I'm actually learning a lot about being here at Disney. It's something that I've never experienced before, and it's something that's new to me, and I'm getting the grasp of it. Just a quirky little quick fire lines and stuff like in the Haunted Mansion, just things like a ghost will follow you home, etc, etc, things like that. But it does make you feel like a sense of humor, happiness. So I want to see like how they do the kiddies rides as well. So we've done It's a Small World, did that. That is a really intricately themed boat ride, and it has a very annoying soundtrack. But it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's good. It's good. It's good. Do it. Definitely do it. We only queued 20 minutes. We queued between our lightning lane for Pirates and our lightning lane of Haunted Mansion. But now we're going to go head over to Winnie the Pooh and see what that's like. All right. So we've just ridden Winnie the Pooh, Little Mermaid. What else? We'll just get off. Tomorrowland Speedway. That was fun, the Grand Prix. So much fun. Things to say about the Little Mermaid and Winnie the Pooh is the theming is spectacular. I mean spectacular. The animatronics of Ariel and Sebastian, and Winnie the Pooh as well, the same. Winnie the Pooh was actually a little bit of a surprise when we got to the ticket bit. We started bouncing around in our vehicles. That was fun. But yeah, we also went to Harbour House as well, Colombian Harbour House. We both got the chicken strips this time. Really nice, really quiet place to eat. So if you ever want something really quick and quiet to go to, the Colombian Harbour House by the New Orleans Square down there in the Liberty Bell. So what have we got planned now? So we've actually just managed to get a lightning lane. How many rides have you been on now? 7, 8. So by using Genie Plus from this morning, it is a Wednesday, it's not a weekend, bear in mind. Oh yeah, we're on Magic Carpet as well, the Aladdin Magic Carpet ride. We've done 8 rides so far, and only 6 of them were Genie, which is cool. The crowd levels at the moment are getting bigger. Yeah. They're getting bigger. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train unfortunately hasn't left a 70-minute queue, and we're just too tired to go in a big queue like that, so that's probably not going to happen today, but I will throw in some footage and you guys can have a look at it. But overall, we're having a great day here at Magic Kingdom. It's very warm, very hot. That's why I'm in the shade and just sat down while I'm doing this piece to camera, because it's just too hot. It's just too hot. And we were out at Volcano Bay yesterday, and that was too hot. And we didn't realise that we were actually getting burnt, and we're both pretty badly sunburnt on our shoulders as well. So yeah, it's a hike today, isn't it? Yeah. It's a proper hike. But we're having a great time. We're going to go and grab a lava float from Sunshine Terrace again, because that was lovely. And we're going to go on. Yeah. What's that?
Volcano Bay was fun.
Volcano Bay was fun. The Raging River was fun.
Yeah, that was my favourite.
Went on that so many times. I think I got a Tapo.
Yeah.
And it gave me 255 minutes for the aqua coaster, and then an hour later it gave me 200 minutes. Not 200 minutes, 235 minutes an hour later. Then as we were leaving, I got it down to 170, and as we left the door, it went back up to 200 minutes. So it didn't work. The virtual queue didn't work. I probably should have got in line for it. But we might be going back to Volcano Bay, we might not, it depends. We've got so much planned, so much planned. As a quick announcement as well, is that we won't be going to Busch Gardens this time around. It's just too much of an effort. It's too much traveling. You get a bus, it takes 3 hours, then you have to come back 5 hours later. And to quick queue down at Busch Gardens, like basically our fast track, the fast track here in Florida, for SeaWorld parks, is $129. And the problem with that is I will go on everything at Busch Gardens, but Danielle will go on nothing. That's not her fault, it's just an extreme park. So I ain't paying that, unfortunately. So what I think we're going to do at the channel is we're going to head down to Poland and Holland. We're going to go and ride Zadra and probably Untamed as well. And we might even check out Italy. So that'll be coming up hopefully this year at some point. But I'll let you guys know when that happens. And we'll be meeting up with Lev down there as well. So Lev, if you're watching, we can't wait to see you. It's going to be exciting to come down and ride all the great rides down there. But right, Big Thunder, the wildest ride in the wilderness. Alright, so we just did our 2 o'clock reservation lightning lane for Big Thunder Mountain. Today we have ridden things 10 times. We've ridden the Haunted Mansion, we've ridden Big Thunder Mountain twice, we've ridden the Liberty Bell, we've ridden Pirates of the Caribbean, and we've ridden Little Mermaid, we've also ridden Winnie the Pooh. There's some other stuff there we've done as well, but I just can't quite remember. Oh yeah, the Tomorrowland Speedway. But yeah guys, it's been an awesome day here at Magic Kingdom. It's looking like a storm's heading this way, so we are going to call it a day for the vlog today. But we are back here on the 4th of July for Magic Kingdom fireworks for the 4th of July. Cannot wait, very excited. We started today by riding Big Thunder Mountain that wasn't on the lightning lane, but then we had Pirates of the Caribbean just afterwards. So straight away we had another lightning lane available, and we got Haunted Mansion straight away as soon as we did that. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, really appreciate it. Please do smash that like button, it really helps us here at CoasterGen on the channel. And guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe as well. Follow us on all notifications. Guys, if you are enjoying these videos, please do press that like button, it really helps us here at CoasterGen on the channel massively. Thank you so much again for the support throughout this whole trip. But for now guys, I've been Luke, she's been Danielle, and that was Magic Kingdom Genie Plus.